Go hard, 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 go hard.
There you go. Come on. Drive it. There you go. Come on, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go. Drive.
Come on. One more. Squat low. Squat. Oh, go drive.
There you go. Come on, push. There you go.
Drive into it. There you go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Drive it. There you go. Come on. Who hasn't gone yet? Everybody done it twice? All right. There you go. Let's go, baby. All right, turn around. Come back with it. Come back. Let's go. Bring it back. Dig deep. Drag it. There you go. Come on, baby. Let's go. 14, 7th grade. You dragging 120 pounds. Let's go, baby. There you go. All right, good job. Switch it up. There you go. Come on, baby. You got it. Get it. Good job, baby. All right, that's good. Turn around. Come back with it. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let me see what you're doing.
Right now. Let's go.
There you go. Come on. Toss it. Let's go. Toss it. There you go. Come on. Toss hard. Knock him over. You gotta catch it. Don't shy away from it. You gotta catch it. There you go. Come on, baby. Toss it. There you go. Good job, baby. Come on. You need a break? One of the kids threw, I don't know if you can see it, these little chunks all over the ground. He threw up. Dion, you threw up over in the corner.
Go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard.